unveiling the secrets of Peru's ancient enigma. The band of holes in Peru's Pisco Valley has long baffled archaeologists and intrigued the public, but a dedicated Florida professor might have finally cracked the case. This mysterious site, known locally as Monte Sierpe, consists of over 5,200 shallow pits carved into the hillside, leaving many to wonder about their origin and purpose. Theories abound, but which holds true? Charles Stanish, an expert on Andean culture, dedicated years to studying these peculiar holes. His persistence led him to believe they were initially created as a basic marketplace during the pre-Inca era and later transformed by the Incas into an intricate accounting and storage system for agricultural purposes. But the mystery didn't end there. Here's where it gets controversial. Some scholars proposed a more mundane explanation, a network of water storage tanks. However, a bolder theory, popularized by the Ancient Aliens TV show and a travel company, suggested extraterrestrial involvement, claiming the holes were created by aliens to conceal a spaceship crash. The breakthrough discovery. In a recent expedition, Stanish and his partner, Dr. Jacob Bongers, employed cutting-edge drone technology to map the site from above. The high-resolution images revealed a striking pattern in the arrangement of the holes, resembling the Incas' kaipas, knotted strings used for counting and record-keeping. Monte Sierpe's layout is hard to decipher from the ground due to haze, Stanish explained. And the lack of artifacts made dating and interpretation challenging. But the real breakthrough came from analyzing sediment samples. Fossilized seeds found inside the holes provided evidence of maize and wild plants used for weaving and packaging, indicating human involvement. We found traditional reeds and willows used by the Inca and Quechua peoples for carrying goods, even today, Stanish added. This strongly supports our theory. A solid conclusion? Stanish believes his team's explanation for the band of holes is now on firm ground. They plan further seed sample analysis and more excavations. However, he acknowledges that new discoveries could still change their interpretation. Preserving the past, protecting the site. Stanish hopes Peruvian authorities recognize the site's historical value and take steps to protect it, especially from potential irrigation by landowners. This ancient enigma, he argues, holds significance for indigenous peoples and their heritage. What's your take on this ancient mystery? Do you think the case is closed, or might there be more to uncover? Share your thoughts and keep the discussion going.